You are at a train station platform where you are waiting for your train. There's a small pamphlet sitting on a display case about a new train that will be introduced next year. You decide to pick up and read the pamphlet. What is the main feature and the biggest advantage of the new train? What is the main feature and the biggest advantage of the new train? The main feature of the train is that it is propelled by magnetism. The biggest advantage is that it can reach twice the speeds of any train that runs on tracks.
قطار برای حرکت از نیروی مغناطیسی بهره می‌گیرد. سرعت آن می‌تواند به 2 برابر سرعت قطارهایی برسد که روی ریل حرکت می‌کنند.